कैसे हो आप लोग। आज एक फिर से नए वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है। इस वीडियो में हम लोग सीखेंगे एक्सेल में कैसे हम लोग मार्कशीट बनाए, हाउ टू क्रिएट मार्कशीट इन एक्सेल। सो स्टेप बाय स्टेप आई विल बी गिविंग यू द steps to create the marksheet. At first we will write down all the name of the exams. As you can see, this video will be very helpful if you want to understand the formulas. I have used the formulas to find out 20%, 30% and 50%. So it will be very useful if you go through this video. If you are a teacher, you can also watch this video so that you can create your marksheet in Excel. It will be very useful for you all, and as a student you can learn the formulas and apply these formulas in your class as well as during exam. So as you can see, first here I am just trying to write down the names and just trying to change the font style. So you can drag like this, you see, as I am doing here. So as you can see, just drag it and you can see that how I am doing. Just see the video. So first you will write the marks. As you know, first unit mark is only for 50 marks, so I am just putting under 50 marks. Okay, and then next here I am just writing the total, and we will try to find out the total mark for first unit, half yearly, second unit and final exam. Just I am putting some marks. वीडियो थोड़ा लंबा हो सकता है, might be long, but I am trying to explain so that you can understand easily. So this is the formula. You can write the way I am writing here, equal to sum and then first cell number and then the last cell number which you want to add. After writing the first formula, you can just drag it and the total will come. No need to write again and again, no need to write the formula. So if you want to find out the 20%, you can see, you can write down in your notebooks. Okay, so you can pause the video and write down the formulas. As you can see, video is little bit long, but I hope you will get something from this video. Okay, so this is how you can find out the 30%, and for 50% same thing, total mark into 50%, now 50 divided by 100, and then you will get the 50% marks and total. As you can see, so here I am trying to find out the total XYZ, that is 20%, 30% and 50%, this total mark. So you will find this formula or this is used in your mark sheet. Okay, so this is the way we are also finding the total in your mark sheet. So as you can see here, you can drag it down, and some kind of editing also I will try to show you so that your mark sheet looks good. Okay, so as you can see here, you can go to the fill option and you can fill the color. This is fill option. Select the color, alignment and all. So I hope you understood and the video was useful for you. If the video was useful for you, just press the subscribe button if you want, and like the video. And if you are watching till here, that means you are interested in learning, and I hope your interest keep and you get something from this video. And thank you so much for watching till the end. Have a wonderful day.